Hi Larry, this is Jackie out with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke briefly last week about me shooting this little 5-minute custom video over to you of your online website audit. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to Google HVAC companies in Dallas, Texas. This top section up here is the ad or the sponsored section, so all of these people are paying to be up here. This begins the Google Map Pack. If you don't have one of these, we would go ahead and add you. A lot of times they go hand in hand with how your website's ranking and how you're ranking on the Map Pack section. And then this right here begins the organic section. So this is where the actual ranks begin. So the #1 spot is Baker Brothers. So throughout the duration of this video, I'm going to compare your website to theirs. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. What is content? Content is essentially all of the wording or verbiage on a website. We're going to focus specifically on the homepage for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab everything off of their homepage, and I am going to put it into my word counter. So they have about 1,800 words of content on their homepage. I'm going to now do the same for yours. And you have about 8. So Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our homepage. Reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 more opportunities for us to slip keywords into that content and to populate you in more Google searches. So that leads me, I would add about 15 to 1,800 more words of content on your homepage stuffed with keywords that we find by doing our research. So that leads me to our second topic, which are keywords. So what are keywords? Keywords are these little phrases that people slip into Google to populate a website. So by diving more into that, we're going to pull up this website. So I'm taking each of your websites and placing them into Ahrefs, which is essentially an online auditing tool that I use. So right off the bat, I just want you to take a brief look at their numbers up here and see where they're at, and then also take a look at yours. It was just here. But I'm going to go ahead and look at their keywords and see what they have. So they have HVAC Repair Dallas, AC Repair Dallas, HVAC Dallas, AC Repair Dallas. So all of these have locations attached, which is what we're looking for. If there's ever anything that does not have a location attached, for example, AC replacement, although it has a higher search volume, this really isn't beneficial because it's a nationwide keyword. So what that means is that someone in Oregon essentially could Google this and possibly bring up their website. Is that going to make you money and bring you a customer? Probably not. So we want those ones with the locations attached to bring you in buyer intent customers. So you actually have 0 keywords, so we'd have to go and do some research and add all of those keywords stuffed with lots of content onto your homepage, and that would bring you so much more traffic. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. So what are backlinks? Backlinks are essentially anywhere throughout the internet where this website is placed. So somewhere throughout the entire internet, this website is placed 87 times. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you don't have to beat that number to beat them. You just go for the highest powered, most quality backlinks that we can find. So what we do is we'd go ahead and find all of theirs and we'd add you to them, and then that would put us on an even playing field. And then we go back in month after month and continue adding and climbing and climbing and climbing the ranks. Anyways, that being said, Larry, I hope this video was informative for you. Feel free to incorporate these tools yourself. And of course, if you have any questions or if you would like me to help you for anything, please give me a call and reach out. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.